The former leader of Zulu regiments, Njilijan Liko, has passed away. Liko, who shot to fame when Zulu regiments paid their last respect during the burial of the late King Goodwill's Welathini, has been sick for months, and at some point he needed a special operation.
Iphinselelo ngokuba nabantwana isizwe singaka baqeda abantwana abahlala emakhaya bangafundi bangasebenzi sebeqedile abanye
asiyeke ukukhuluma ngenye indoda. Asiyeke ukukhuluma ngenye indoda. Ngoba ziningi izinto engasuke ngiveze ngalohulumeni wakho. Asiyeke ukukhuluma ngenye indoda.
Mhlambe
Your name is